I have Dongfeng Box and let me show you all safety features that should be turned on. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's open the apps icon. From the following view, choose Vehicle Settings. Right now, let's use the left bar to select Driver Assistance. And here you've got a few safety features that you should use. So the first one, the line assist. Let's enable this feature. This system monitors road markings to keep you with your line. You can use here alarm or correction. I have selected correction, meaning the car will actively nudge the steering wheel to keep me in the line. If you set the alarm, it would only provide a warning sound or vibration. In my case, I prefer to have set it up to the correction, so let me choose correction here. The collision assist. This safety features is designed to prevent or mitigate front-end accidents. You can here enable the sensitivity. I recommend to have the highest sensitivity to trigger the information earlier. And let's also enable here the emergency brake assist. Let me enable this one more time. So it automatically applies the brakes if a collision is imminent and you haven't reacted in time, so it's really important. Then we've got the intelligent recognition. It uses cameras to read road signs and GPS data. You've got here the intelligent speed limit assist, detects the current speed limit and shows it on your dashboard. We can have the optical and acoustic alarm. It provides both visual icon and sound if you exceed the speed limit, but you can change it, for example, only for optical alarm. In my case, let me keep both. You can also here use the speed limit switching prompt sound. So plays notification sound whenever the dedicated speed limit on the road changes. For example, from 50 kilometers per hour to 70 kilometers per hour. You've got here also two driver monitoring features. I've got enabled both of them, as you can see right here. The first one is driver fatigue status reminder. It monitors the signs of tiredness, such as frequent blinking or head dropping, and suggests taking a break. The second one, the driver distraction status reminder, alerts you if your eyes leave the road for too long. For example, if you look at your phone or on your infotainment screen. So that's it. I highly recommend to have all of this feature enabled. Let's check out if you have set up your car in exactly the same way. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.